Greetings.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. And you?
Very good.
Well, I have a desire to watch TV. I hate that the one in my house is damaged.
Good. And now that a good series has us start.
Yes, but they will fix it soon.
In my house, I hate that the door to my room is damaged. I feel a little uncomfortable.
Well, it is a bit uncomfortable when changing.
I hate they fix it soon.
You can put a curtain to make you more comfortable.
I hate that in my house the blender does work.
It is very bad when making whisk and smooth.
Yes,
I hate that in my house the washing machine does not dry.
it is very bad when drying clothes and it is cloudy.
I hope they fix it soon.
Thank you for your time and trust.
Always. Bye.
Bye.